Gigafacts. Hello. Welcome to the world of rare birds, where we will take you on a journey to discover some of the most unique and endangered birds on our planet. First, let's take a trip to the lush rainforests of South America, home to the harpy eagle. With its striking black and white plumage, this powerful bird is considered the largest and most powerful eagle in the world. However, its population has been declining due to habitat loss and hunting. Next, we'll head to the remote islands of Madagascar, where we'll find the Madagascar pochard. This small duck, once thought to be extinct, was rediscovered in 2006 with a population of just 20 birds. Thanks to conservation efforts, its population has slightly increased, but it remains one of the rarest birds in the world. Moving on to Asia, we come across the spoon-billed sandpiper. This small wader is known for its distinctive spoon-shaped bill and is found in the shallow coastal waters of Russia, China, and Japan. Its population has been in rapid decline due to habitat loss, hunting, and climate change. Finally, let's take a trip to the grasslands of Africa, where we'll find the endangered secretary bird. This large bird of prey is known for its distinctive crest of feathers and long legs. Its population has been declining due to habitat loss and hunting. These are just a few examples of the many rare and endangered birds that call our planet home. It's our responsibility to protect and conserve their habitats, so future generations can enjoy the beauty of these unique birds. But these are not the only rare birds facing extinction. In the wetlands of Australia, the eastern curlew is a migratory bird that flies thousands of kilometers each year. However, due to habitat destruction and hunting, its population has declined by 90% in the past 30 years. In the mountains of New Zealand, the kakapo is a flightless parrot that is also critically endangered. With a population of only around 200 individuals, the kakapo is one of the world's rarest birds. Habitat destruction and introduced predators have greatly impacted the species. Shot of kakapo in the wild. The Great Indian Bustard is a large bird found in the grasslands of India and Pakistan. It is considered one of the most critically endangered birds in the world, with a population of less than 250 individuals. Habitat loss and hunting are the main threats to the species. These rare birds and many other species around the world are facing a serious threat of extinction. It's important that we take action to protect their habitats, stop hunting and illegal trade, and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Only then can we ensure that these unique and beautiful birds will continue to thrive for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.